Got it. What are we talking about? Are you saying something?
No.
What are we doing, man?
What are
We
we
had to.
doing? What are
We,
we doing in the Zen Zone Zoom VIP? That's what you want to tell all the people. What
what
are
are
we doing?
we doing? We here, man. Can you hear me good?
I can hear you great, brother.
Let's see if how we do over here.
I don't see us live yet, but I'm sure we are because it said it was live streaming.
Let's do that.
But it takes a good
Here we go. We're
20,
good to
25
go.
seconds. Hmm,
Yeah, we're good.
Okay,
Yeah, let me see something here if I do.
there we are.
Yeah, see, one is zero.
It's a good 20,
Here we go. We're
20,
good to go.
seconds. Hmm,
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Yeah, we live, man.
Oh yeah, yeah, we're definitely live.
What's
There we
going on, Mark?
Man, we're out here telling everybody about what you're doing in the Zen Zone Zoom VIP, helping everybody make and generate generational wealth, man.
Yeah, I like our new setup here. I like
Oh yeah.
the bull in the background there. You
Yep.
know, we got our merch coming out soon. I like that shirt there, Mark. You got going on
Yep.
right
Just gonna
there.
show everybody our shirts. Yep. Hat.
Yes. Good,
Absolutely.
good, good. We good, man. We official.
Yeah.
We official. We here. We ain't going nowhere. We here to stay. Okay.
We
You
arrived.
guys, shout out to everybody. We could drop all the links in there.
Yep. I'm working
We could
on
do a
that.
Q&A, man. Q&A. It's Q&A. Let's see if we get anybody on so we could chat.
Yeah, but more importantly, what we want to do is we want to show everybody what the subscribers in the VIP are experiencing. You know,
Yeah, they could check we had a video on earlier. I think we put a video in
yep,
the YouTube is there.
yep. I believe you did. You put that video there.
Yeah, we got videos.
You know,
Welcome, 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 welcome. It's just me in the get sign on here. Once we get all this jump in here, we'll see everybody come in here. Links here. The new
yeah,
VIP link
yeah. I want to
is going.
share. I want to at the end there. I want to share the screen to our Discord VIP section. And
Yeah.
maybe in sharing that screen and like what one of our subscribers, Bashan, said, I can then direct people how they can become a VIP member, by illustrating that on the screen. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that. We want to go through this big stock here, this
Oh
SI
man.
S SMCI trade here today. I
Mm,
mean, look at this thing here. Monster. I think you didn't have to trade anything today. Oh no. Well,
but
the market closed at 8, right? So
yep,
9 minutes
they
we
don't
closed.
know.
So we got to hold our position. Right.
Yep,
9?
gotta hold it, brother.
We got to hold that position. Market closed. Didn't
Yep.
get to come out of that trade before market close. But good. Tap, 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 tap. See, just wait for some people to come in here. Maybe we could get some happy face here. But
Mm.
yeah, man, how was your day, man? How did everything go today?
Went well, brother. Went well. You
Yeah,
know.
I just thank you, thank you, thank you for all you do, brother.
Oh, my pleasure. My pleasure. I'm looking for your the new Weeble link. I want to see if it works
Yeah.
any better. Otherwise, they got to do it on the phone. Remember,
Mm-hmm.
Weeble is a little bit touchy.
Yeah.
Well, and
It's always a little bit delayed there.
before I put it in, I'm checking it. Let's see, terms and conditions. No, see, December to January 10th, 2024.
That's okay. That's okay. We do on the back end on that. We don't even have to
I'm not going to put
fi-
that in.
find one that is
That's a valid one. It's just when you do use it on the PC. Sorry, folks, that
yeah,
um,
just do it from get the one from the phone and put it there, and that'd be fine with that one.
yeah, I'm just gonna take that and
Yeah. What's going on, everybody? We here, man. We here. We hanging out. We haven't been here in a while.
nope. There's the 5 keys. Perfect.
Mm,
Well, I think everybody should know that everybody's making money in the Zen Zone Zoom live trading with
oh,
yours truly, Stephen Reed, aka the Zen Trader.
oh,
That's the most important part. Go back, listen to some of the videos. Everybody's practically done for the day within the first half hour. I can't say everybody, but a few people who are catching on and believing and taking the position size that they should be taking are done for the day. Bashan is a good example of that. Uh,
yeah. We got a couple of people that are
no,
at
yeah,
that level.
Yasin. I mean, right now you can say it's a streak. Hopefully, it stays that way for him.
Yeah.
Uh,
As
you know,
long as they follow the guidance, I mean, I don't see why not,
yep.
right? I'm here to guide them through the process. So,
Yeah. So I think I mean that's really the main point of getting on is not even to market, but just to tell you that if you're not in the Zen Zone Zoom live trading VIP, you're missing out. You'll make the cost of that back exponentially. I mean that nothing's guaranteed, stocks aren't guaranteed, stock trading's not guaranteed, but with most of the subscribers, that's what they're doing in one day. But Sean said what the other day he made more than he could in working his job for 2 weeks. Um, Today he wrote something great on the VIP section, which we'll share the screen with everybody as well. You just let me know when.
yeah,
So I think we should do that, my brother. I think we should share the screen. In this way, these folks want to review this YouTube. It's not lengthy, and they can get right to the parts that they need to get to, which is where to sign
yeah.
up. You know,
We'll direct them there to that. Um, we'll get them there to that.
oh, so you want to go over? Actually, you should look at this candle down and then look at yesterday at close. Remember you missed it.
Oh yeah.
You should show them those that candle that spiked down. This was a 200 point, a 233 point move down, but that was just on the Weeble platform, which I don't know. Um, Different platforms, different market makers at post market anyway.
See something I was gonna try to go live here on. I don't know if you could see it, but it's different here. No, can't have that set up there.
Yeah, no, we can do that another day. We can do
Yeah,
TikTok.
yeah,
TikTok another day. I mean, this was just a quick get on, acquaint people with the VIP. Off also at the Zen Traders offering one-on-one mentoring. You could find all that information in the VIP section of the Discord. It doesn't cost you anything to get onto the Discord until you want to subscribe for the VIP Zoom or one-on-one mentoring. and everything is outlined in the Discord. But it's the top section, the VIP section, which will illustrate for you in momentarily.
I don't see those big dip yesterday on
It
let's
was
see
it
here.
was yesterday's after
Yeah,
market.
I see the 702 here,
Got to keep going.
but it's not a
There it is,
big
right
it's,
there.
it's not a big dip, yeah.
Well,
I mean,
it was pretty big from where the stock was going,
yeah.
and then from where it went from 702. Where'd it go? Not well, not as drastic as the 230 points that you showed, but at least I showed this same dip on the
Y-
Thinkorswim.
Yeah, it's 702 is right here. But just this critical area here that we we trade this stock here. So about three times, four times, right? This area here
It was
was so
730.
critical on SMCI yesterday. So this is how we traded. I think you traded how many times as well?
Three, I think.
So here is this resistance level here on SMCI. If you could go back, how the stock reacted yesterday. This stock opened and never gave you an opportunity to get in. So we waited. We waited for this trade all day yesterday. If you didn't wait for this trade yesterday, then, you were missing out. And we took advantage of this trade here as it opened up and didn't give us an opportunity. There was one opportunity right here as it broke down and then found support here, right? We didn't take that either. So found a resistance level here. Boom. Support, right? And then bounce and then break down below this level and found support again. And then just found back this area and was trying to get higher. Every time it comes up at this level, just got rejected. Got rejected. Okay. Got rejected a little bit. Didn't allow you to get in unless you were trying to get it off this bottom, but we waited for this level to broke, and this was the first one we took. Got rejected at the VWAP, right? Pulled back, take it again through this level here, which was this 730.43, right? That was one. Pulled back, that was two. And this was the third one. That was the monstrous trade here that came out, settled here for a little bit before the market closed, rise up a little bit, found resistance at this level. Let me get this chart line in here. Hello, everybody's watching here. Welcome, welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm your host, the Zen Trader. It's been a while since we haven't been on live just because we're just taking on a different project. Okay? Thank you. Hit the little emoji sign there. So here we are on SMCI. I had to come and do SMCI because we have so much fun with this stock, right? And I was just telling Mark how patient you have to be in the market, right? When you have a strategy that is working for you, you just got to work that strategy. It doesn't matter. You're not all over the market and going from stock to stock to stock to stock and trying to trade the market. You have your strategy, you have your plan, and you stick to that plan. So the plan yesterday was stick to the plan till SMCI. We're going to trade this stock. And then once it break this level here, we're going to take the trade. That was the first. We rinse and repeat, took it again, rinse and repeat, took it again. And the third time we got paid after hours. This stock went all the way up. Look here, all the way up. Bam. Tapped out at 844 up here, right? And then pulled back and never stayed. So we got here, we left the partial here and we got benefit. Woke up this morning, we were in the green on this trade after we swing that trade on SMCI. Got pulled back. We never got stopped out. So there was no reason. Even me coming out of this stock mark this morning, it was no need for me to come out, but why not? Take the profit, right? And then find
Yep.
another area in the stock and trade the stock again. So having that money tied up in the stock could have been okay, but why not liquidate it and use it to trade again? And as you could see, pre-market, this is what happened. Came down, we enter here, never got down here, right? Hours at 8 o'clock, right?
Yep.
Boom. Gapped up a little bit and stayed at 860.54. And that was the high after hours. And then just pull back down and ride the VWAP. All after hours, right? There she goes. Pull back a little bit down to this level here, right? There you go. Close the gap, right? Close this gap right here and find support there. Pre-market, okay? Start dipping at 705 this morning, all right? And then the high was this level here. Pre-market, not including this after hours. That's the high, right? But pre-market, that was the high. And then fall to the low here, created a support at 777.50, right? And it stayed that low all day. Came up pre-market, reside at this level again, resistant. Now support becomes resistant, right? Form of support, and then break out right before 9:30 right here. Bam. Pull back, and you never seen it after that. SMCI went. And we traded a couple of times. Okay. So if you were in the VIP Zoom, you will have an opportunity to trade this stock with us, right? We traded about maybe 5 times, right? And then here it goes. Up here today at what? 1 o'clock? And just stood at this level all day, right? Until when? 3:05, right? Make a move. That's the other move right here we set up here, right? Broke this level, which was 79.74. Boom. Broke 10, 1,000, right? And then all the way out to 1,003.54. And then found resistance at this level here, right? Just because it was a fun trade. Okay, there you go. Found resistance. Okay, found resistance, right? Pull right back. And we got in, as you could see, right before it breaks this 993, we got into the short level, and now we here. Okay, now we at 990, 954.29. Okay, here we are. That big spike down to 721. Took everybody out that was holding position to the long side. Amazing. Amazing trade today. So didn't get to come out before 8 o'clock. So I'm definitely gonna have to swing that trade. Well, I have no choice now. I
Mm-hmm.
have to swing that trade.
You got a buffer, though. You got a good buffer. You got
Yeah,
40, almost 40 points. So,
40 points in it.
yeah,
Spike. So,
38. So,
and again, I could set a limit order, right?
mm-hmm.
To even to 9 to this level here. 9 watts. 974 and get out at 974, right? At this level here.
There you go.
If it decide to break, set a limit order for 974, right?
Yep. Keep 18.
And if it pops up, doing now and tomorrow, I'll be out and I'll definitely profit off that trade. So don't let that trade go to waste. Set a limit order, and that's what I will do. Good until cancel, right?
Yep. Yep.
At 974. Yeah, 974.50. This level here. If it pops up, I'll be out. 200 shares, and what a great trade on SMCI. All right. And as you could see, the SPY is up here. Okay. 507. It went until at least 508.
Yeah.
Close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It did.
508. Yeah.
During regular hours too.
Yeah. 508.
Yep.
508. There we are. So that's what we've been doing in the VIP Zoom. Okay. So if you want to be a part of the channel, come on in. Look what we got to offer. If it's something that you feel like you want to do, come and join us. I promise you that, it's a community of where if you're real serious about trading, we'll help you on your journey to get there. Okay. And it's the real deal. That's all I got to say. It's the real deal. All right.
Yes, it is. Let me share with them before we go. All right, my brother.
Yeah.
Share with you the Discord, the VIP area. So bear with me, guys. We're going to disconnect at the Zen Trader screen, and I'm going to share the Discord screen with you. All right. This is our VIP section right here. If you're interested, come into the Discord. The link is in the chat area. You come in here, you can read the message from Zen. You can literally read all the reasons you should subscribe. The mission statement. There are rules. This is the syllabus and pricing area where you can go to. Once you agree that you want to join, you go into the Zoom purchase. When you go into purchase the Zoom, make sure at the end you accept the link to access your Discord name. That gives you access to the other VIP sections, meaning the daily Zoom link, which right now is empty. That's posted every morning for our VIP members to get on Zoom. Here's the VIP teamwork. We're going to go get back to that in a minute. Here's where at the Zen Trader posts the stock picks, which you might see two of the four that we're trading and one that we're watching. Things to know, his strategies and stuff for the VIP. So once you purchase, you now have access to all this. But more importantly, I want to show you what one of our members, Bashan, said today. You can sit there. Wow, just getting up from my nap not too long ago and getting ready to leave for work at the Zen Trader. Just wanted to say a big thank you for your guidance and support in this trading journey. You truly transformed my life, and I'm incredibly grateful for that. Also, huge thanks to everyone in our community for the ongoing dedication and support. Together, we're achieving great things. Excited for the
Wow.
future. And that's amazing, right?
Yeah, absolutely,
Amazing.
man.
And here's one of our members, Sean Flagg, great guy, uh,
Yes.
amazing words and 100% truth. He's responding to Bashan. I'm grateful to be part of this community. We have a tight knit community. There's a lot of room for other people to come in and build
Absolutely.
generational wealth.
Absolutely. That's the thing, man. I wanted to bring to everybody, and only if you're serious about it. This is a business. Leave that up for a minute, Mark.
Oh, yeah, I'm not taking it down.
This is a business. It's not no get scheme rich quick. Okay. It's not about that. That's not what we are about. Okay. If you're serious about trading and want to take your trading to a whole nother level, I'm here to guide you through that. Okay. And if you're willing to accept the guidance, then you could have days like what Bashan has. Okay. Or other members. If you check our YouTube, you could see videos. We're going to be putting videos up every time we have a winner and they're done for the day. That's almost like a slogan now, I'm done for the day now. You know,
Not
that's it.
every time, brother. That's every day. So we don't have the bandwidth for all that.
Right, right, right.
Sorry.
Yeah, so it's every day. That's
Yeah.
what's happening in the channel. And this is just a testimony to tell you what is happening so far. And we just start the year.
Yep.
Okay. So imagine at the end of the year or 6 months in or 5 months in. Okay. You could see it. They
Yep.
could see it.
I got to say this though to the people because you're not buying an ebook, you're not buying a course. Zen, Stephen Reed, my friend, my mentor, everybody's mentor, is there trading. This is live trading. This isn't a course. This isn't like, here you go, you paid for this and now fumble through it. He's actually trading. We're trading together. This is a community, as Sean said. He's happy and grateful to be part of it. So it's you're guided through everything with everybody taking trades, everybody alerting each other to support and resistance levels. So it's a no-brainer, really.
It's step-by-step guide, man. And that's the way you got to be, and sooner or later, it's going to speak for itself. I don't have to come here to tell you what's going on, but we're just officially letting everybody know we're here. Anybody that's been following me for the longest time, right, should know. Okay, they follow me, they know what I'm about, okay? And I'm just now we turn it into a business, right? Because this is a business. It's not fun and game. It's not, we're trying to build generational wealth, right? And then if you're coming to this thing and want to get rich quick, this ain't the one for you. It's not.
Yeah.
It's not. It's not gonna be, okay? You may be lucky on some trades, but it's not gonna be sustainable, right? You gotta have rules, right? You got to have rules. You got to have goals. Okay. Right. You got to have some basic trading techniques. Okay. You got to have strategies in place and you got to follow that. You can't div divert from it. You're all over the market doing this, doing that. No, you have a strategy. Say if you're going to trade the crypto market, stick to that. If you're going to do options, stick to that. Don't be option, stock, crypto. You're not going to really learn anything by being all over the place. If it's stock, stick to stock, learn whatever you could learn about stock and get familiar with it. And then if you want to move on to something else, move on to something else. But in the meantime, you want to get one thing and just master that. And I have stick to stock and I've mastered it in a way where I could bring it to you in the most simplistic form as possible so you could understand how to enter, what to look for, and how to be a successful trader. If you were 60/40, now you could be able to have, if you're losing 60% of the time, now we could be able to change that dynamic and put that you're winning 60% of the time and try to get your losing rate diminish and increase your winning rate. Okay.
Not even the losing rate so much, it's the amount of loss too,
Yeah,
in conjunction with that, because a
that
lot of
too.
a lot of people trade like they're gambling, and what Steven, what the Zen trader is doing, he's trying to give you the highest probability of a successful trade, not the most amount of money you could make, because then it's the most amount of money you can lose. So
Absolutely.
maximize your gains, minimize your losses. So if you flip the loss win ratio from 60 loss to 60 win, you're also reducing the loss not by just that percentage, but by the amount you're losing, and it's a win-win.
Man, it's a win-win situation. So you have your guidance here. I'm your host, the Zen Trader. And again, you guys have seen me from having sticky notes, and I haven't divert from that. I still got my sticky notes, right? No matter.
250 straight green,
Okay.
brother.
All
Right?
right. You could go back and check last year, 2023, when we did 250 trading days. Man, that was exciting. And if you were a part of that, I hope, that was able to change your life in some form or the other because it was exciting. Okay. And here, 2024, we on another stratosphere. And we only gonna get bigger and we only gonna grow. Okay. So if you want to be a part of it, come on in, man. It doesn't hurt. If not now, when? Right?
That's it. If not
And
now, when?
and then you got to treat it as a business. you know there's all different type of states in the market. You got trending state, raging state, breakout. You got to know all of those stuff. You got to know the environment that you're going to be in. Okay. We use a thing called ELEE, is knowing your environment, knowing your levels, knowing your entry, and knowing your exit. Okay. And you got to know those things prior to even go into the trade. Know what the environment is about. Is the market is in a uptrend? Is the market is in a downtrend? And you got indicators to tell you all those things. Okay. And as you could see, I don't use a bunch of indicators. I keep it real simple. I use a RSI every now and then. Most of the time, a MACD, every now and then. But after that, that's it. Have a VWAP on my chart. I don't have to use all those things. You don't really need it. You got to get the fundamental down. Okay. And once you get the fundamental down, everything else will fall in place. And then you develop yourself a strategy. Our five keys are: I wear it every day, just as a reminder. Here we go. Okay. Just as a reminder. Okay. You got to be consistent. You got to be disciplined. The market will make you patient. And you got to know when not to trade because the market is holding you and saying nothing is going on. It's just going sideways into a channel. The bulls are at 48 and the bears are at 52. That means nothing really going on in the market. You got to know that. You got to know not to trade at that moment until something happened. It could be a news, right? And that could move the market. Something else could have happened, like a Tesla, a recall, and that moved Tesla, and the market start reacting to that news. Okay, you got to know when. Okay, so you'll learn that with us. Not saying you won't learn that prior to, but you'll get a understanding that you're not going to take a trade if nothing ain't going on. Sit on your hands. Okay, learning patience you know? And again, number one thing with this trading, this is a business. You got to treat it as a business. Okay?
It's not to say we don't have fun. We have fun in
Oh man, we do have fun.
yeah, we have a blast.
We do have fun. So much fun. I don't think it don't even become trading anymore after that, right? Even though we're trading, but we're having fun.
Hmm.
You love what you do, then it doesn't feel like work. And it doesn't feel like work. It feels like fun. And we're having fun working and we're having fun with our business, right? And we're making money at the same time. So there's rules, there's discipline, things that you gotta have in order to be successful in this business. Okay.
That's it, my brother.
Discipline when practice consistently becomes unmanageable. You know what I mean? It's incredible when you manage. Take for instance, you're a basketball player, right? To be a good free throw player, right? When you're playing basketball, to do free throws, you have to practice. You got to get up to that line and you got to put in reps, reps after reps. If you got to shoot 1,000 basketballs a day at that rim, you have to put it in. Trading, you got to put the screen time in. Okay. You can't come in here one day and expect to do good at this thing here. You got to put screen time in. It's a must. You're gonna lose if you come into this market and think that you're gonna win like that. It's not gonna happen. Okay. So you got to put the screen time in. You got to be disciplined. Okay. And then you got to treat this thing as a business, you know? So that's all we got to say. Just letting you know, inform you guys that, we are here. You may not see us as live on YouTube as much, but we're gonna come on every now and then, but you could find us in the VIP Discord. Come on in, check us out if something that you want to do. And I'm just letting everybody know that, you know what? You at times you got to make a decision, right? I had to make a decision to do this. I had to jump off that ledge. Okay? It will work out as long as you have some discipline, as long as you're ready to make that change. You want to change your family life? You want to change your life? Come on in. If this is something you want to do, we could do it for you. We could do it together and make it happen. Okay? So on that note, thank you so much. I'm your host, the Zen Trader. Okay, come on into the VIP Discord. Discord link is in the bio. Just click that, and that will direct you through to our Discord. Okay, and it's pretty self-explanatory when you get there. Everything is a step by step. All right, it will guide you through where you need to be. Other than that, see you tomorrow, and we're gonna have fun. Yeah. All right. Enjoy the rest of the